how to add OneDrive file links to Notion automatically. So in this video I'll show you how you can create a backup of all the uploaded files of OneDrive into the Notion automatically. So what will happen, every time you upload a new file into your OneDrive folder, the link of that same file will be added automatically into the Notion database items, and in this way you do not have to share the access of your OneDrive with your team. You can directly share the access of Notion, from where your team can access all the OneDrive uploaded files. So if you also want to automate this process, come with me and I'll show you the whole process step by step. To sync all my OneDrive files with the Notion application, I'll have to build an integration in these two, and I'm going to do that with Pabbly Connect. It is an amazing integration and automation software. Here you can see I'm already into the dashboard because I'm already logged in and I am an existing user of Pabbly Connect. You can also create your free account in just 2 minutes from this button, and you will also get free tasks to test these kinds of amazing automation. Okay, and after reaching out to the dashboard, click on this blue button, that is create workflow, and provide any random name to your workflow, to your automation. Okay, so I'm providing the name something like when new file is uploaded in OneDrive, add the same file link to Notion. Okay, and now click on create, and once you click on this button you'll find 2 boxes in front of you. So these are actually trigger and action. Okay, so trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So whenever this happens, then automatically do this. Understand with an example also. Let's say whenever a sale happen in a payment gateway application, then automatically send an email via Gmail application to your customer. Okay, according to our use case, whenever any new file is uploaded into which account, into Microsoft OneDrive account. Okay, so that is why I'm selecting Microsoft OneDrive into my trigger application. Okay, so this is the Microsoft. So whenever any new file is uploaded into the OneDrive application, automatically sync those files with the Notion application. Okay, so this is how you need to always select the application in this trigger and action in window in which you are building an automation. Okay, so in the trigger event I will select it as trigger a new file. Okay, you can read the instructions. Triggers when a new file is added in a folder. Okay, so I want that whenever any new file is uploaded into that OneDrive folder, the details of that file should be captured via Pabbly Connect. For that I'll have to first connect this OneDrive with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, select add new connection, click on connect with Microsoft OneDrive account, and provide the access of your OneDrive account from here. So I have provided the access. Now it will ask me for the permission. Okay, and once I will share the permission, you will see how the authorization will be successful and my Microsoft OneDrive account will be connected immediately with Pabbly Connect. Here you can see it is connected, and now it is asking to set a folder path. Okay, set the path of the folder for tracking the new files. Okay, so read these instructions one by one, and let me first take you to my OneDrive account. And in this OneDrive account I have created a folder with the name this all important design and files. Okay, so I am going to add the same folder name. Okay, and just in case if you are going to upload the files into the subfolder, in that case you'll have to provide the path in this way. Okay, so your main folder name will appear, then you'll have to put a slash, then subfolder name will appear. Okay, but currently I am uploading the files into the main folder, so I don't need to add this slash. I will be adding the name of my folder only, that is all important designs and file. Let me cross check. Yes, it is the same all important designs and files. Let me add the same all important designs and files, and make sure that you write correct spelling, you write the exact text. Okay, files. Okay, I think I have provided the details. Event type will be the file created only, and I just have a single event type only. Clicked on save and send test request, and here currently I have this blank response. Why? Because currently I do not have any file uploaded into my folder. Okay, so how about I upload a new file in front of you. Okay, so let me upload some blog here. Okay, I will be uploading this resume of Rohit, or I can upload some other file as well. Alright, so I'm uploading this blog on digital marketing. Okay, it is uploading one item and the uploading is finished. Come back to Pabbly Connect and click on the save and send test request button. And here you can see the response is received, which means the connection in between OneDrive and Pabbly Connect is working absolutely fine. Let me show you the details in this particular response one by one. So here you can see we have the folder name as all important design and files. Here we have the drive URL. Okay, so let us check what is this file URL all about. Okay, I am guessing that it is the same file URL. Here you can see blog on digital marketing. It is the same file. Okay, let me show you other details as well. Here we have the file name as well. We have the date and time as well. Okay, so I think the presence of this data clearly showed that the connection is working absolutely fine, and the first step of our automation is also working absolutely fine. And let me show you in this data I have also received one downloadable URL of this file. Okay, so if I will open this URL into any different tab, this file URL, this file will be downloadable. Okay, so wherever I am going to share this file URL, people can actually download this. Okay, so the presence of this data clearly shows that the first step is done and connection in between OneDrive and Pabbly Connect is also successful. Now I am going to share this data to Notion application in order to create a backup of my OneDrive files. Okay, an action event, I'll select this create database item, and now I am going to connect Notion with Pabbly Connect, just like I have connected OneDrive with Pabbly Connect. Okay, so simply click on this connect with Notion and provide the access of your Notion application. Well, I'm already logged in into Notion application into a different tab, so instead of asking me for the access, it will directly ask me for the permission. Okay, so from here I will provide the access of all the pages and make sure that you also provide the access of that page in which you are about to add all the filings. Okay, click on allow access, and this is how the authorization will be successful and your Notion application will be connected with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, and in the first field it is showing all the databases which I have created into my Notion application. Let me show you. I have these several databases. Okay, and these databases are visible here only. Okay, and I am about to upload all my files into the social media content. Okay, so let me come back to Pabbly Connect, and well, it has got selected automatically. Date of upload, I think there is a spelling mistake. Okay, let me first correct it. Date of upload. Okay, so you can do the changes here and you can click on this refresh button in order to reflect the changes here. Okay, you can see here the changes has been updated, date of upload, the file URL and the file name. Okay, so whatever the columns I have created into this Notion page, the same columns are visible, that is the date of upload, the file URL and the file name, and this content is actually a default document. I'm sorry for that, default column. Okay, so let me provide the details one by one. Okay, so remember we have just received the response into our previous step. Okay, so I'm going to send this data, and don't worry, I don't need to manually copy this data and paste it here. Okay, I am going to map it. So let me show you how you can perform this mapping. Simply click on this particular field and you will find the above step data here in the drop down. Okay, simply search for that data. Okay, so let me search for the date. So here I have the last modified date. Here we have the system info. Okay, I have multiple dates. I will be mapping this create date and time, asking for the file URL. So as I have told you, as I've shown you that downloadable URL. Okay, so I am going to add that download URL here. Okay, so I have also added the file URL. Lastly, it is asking for the file name. So remember we have received the file name as well. Okay, and here we have the file name as blog on digital marketing along with the extension that is .pdf. Okay, clicking on this button save and send test request, and I'm really expecting this data to be added into my Notion application. And here you can see the file name is here, the file URL is here, and the date of upload is also here. And let me first check whether it is the correct file URL or not, and yes, it is the same file, and the file is getting downloaded here. Okay, so the presence of this data clearly shows that our automation is working absolutely fine. Okay, so now onwards, okay, once you have created this automation inside Pabbly Connect, after that now onwards you do not have to do anything manually, because whenever you are going to upload any new file here into your OneDrive folder, the same file link will be added automatically into the Notion. In this way you can create a backup, and now you can also share this Notion page with your team and they can access all the files directly from here. Okay, and let me tell you one very important thing. So as soon as you're going to upload any new file here, Pabbly Connect is going to capture that detail in every 10 minutes, because this trigger will check for the new data in every 10 minutes. Okay, so just in case the data is not getting updated in real time or immediately, don't worry about that, don't bother. Okay, you'll have to wait at least for 10 minutes patiently. Okay, after that your data will be added for sure automatically. And one more very important thing, that is whatever the details I have mapped here from my previous step, these details will be replaced automatically as soon as the new data will arrive or whenever this automation will work in real time. Okay, so that is why mapping plays a significant role in this automation, and this is how this automation is going to take place. And just in case if you want to access this automation inside your Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach the link of my workflow into the description box. You just need to click on that link and sign up into the Pabbly Connect, and then you will be able to access this workflow, this automation inside your Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.